In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product videos on Shopify. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button near the top and click it. Sign in using your preferred method, email and password, or one of the supported single sign-on options. Keep your credentials secure, and if you use two-factor authentication, have your device ready so you can complete the sign-in quickly. Once you're in your admin, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and choose Products. This brings up your product list. Find the item you want to enhance with a video and open it. On the product detail page, scroll until you see the media section. This is where all your product images and videos live, and you can reorder them later to control what shoppers see first. Before you add anything, consider how your theme displays videos. Some stores place videos directly in the main media gallery, while others use meta fields to position a video in a specific spot, like beneath the description. If your store uses meta fields for video, decide which meta field this video belongs to. If you're keeping the video in the main gallery, you can proceed right from the media section, click the add button in the media area. When prompted, add your video. You can upload a file from your computer. MP4 is a common choice. Or, depending on your theme and settings, you may be able to paste a link from a hosting service. Keep clips concise and high quality. Short videos tend to load faster and hold attention. Naming your file clearly helps with organization, and compressed, web-ready files improve performance. If you have multiple variants, think about matching the video to the most relevant images so shoppers immediately understand how the product looks and works. When you're happy with your selection, click Save in the upper or lower corner of the page to commit your changes. Shopify may take a moment to process the upload. After saving, a quick check on your storefront preview can confirm playback and placement, and you can drag media items to adjust the order if needed. That's all there is to it. You went to Shopify, signed in, opened products, selected your item, navigated to the media section, chose where the video belongs if you're using meta fields, clicked add, uploaded the video, and saved. With that, your product page gains motion, context, and credibility, helping shoppers make confident decisions.